Yeah, I'm Stephan, 29, cooking since over 14 years. I become a chef because of my mom. She's cooking really bad, and I was always complaining about the food as I was a child. And the brother from my grandpa worked in the Adidas hotel, in the former Adidas hotel, and he took me there sometimes or some weeks and I was able to do trainings in the kitchen there, and I fall in love with this. My first station after the apprenticeship was at the Lake Tegernsee in a 1 Michelin star restaurant. Then I moved over to Switzerland nearby St. Moritz in a 2 Michelin star restaurant for 1 year, and been working over 7 years in Hamburg, 6 years as a sous chef in a 2 Michelin star restaurant at the Four Seasons. The restaurant is called Michelin. I ended up in Copenhagen because of the new job opportunity to create something new here in the city, and I was looking for a new challenge, for a new opportunity to keep the quality from a 2 Michelin star restaurant, but I can create my own things on a more casual level, to reach out as much people as I can, to make them happy. Like, that's my passion as a hobby. But I was driving a motocross in my earliest, then I broke my collarbone and I stopped with that.